What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of Denver couple. Yesterday, Denver couple celebrates the birthday of Mami Mikau. In Instagram post, Denver couple shared their beautiful photo together at Amko Anka restaurant.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Instagram
birthday.
post, Mami Mikau shared on Instagram a short video clip how sweet and
Happy
sensitive the delicious
birthday
strawberry
to
cake for her birthday. Mami Mikau, I look so happy.
Happy
Mami Mika also shared on
birthday to
Instagram a
you.
short video clip
Happy
that shows that
birthday to
Nadek was
you.
also surprised her
Happy
before the day for
birthday,
lunchtime
happy
together at
birthday,
Angko
happy
Anka.
birthday to you. Happy
Tek Mia
birthday
gives
to
a strawberry
you.
cake for
Happy
Mami Mikau, and
birthday
guess Mami
to
Mikau likes
you.
it.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
พ่อขอบคุณมากนะครับชื่นใจจังเลยป๊าช่วยแก้วเป่าเค้กเร็วเค้กน่ารักมากเลยป๊าจะหลับแล้ว
The restaurant has a good vibes and atmosphere. It is a Vietnamese food that serves rice and fish. It is recommended to make a reservation, but walk-in is possible. The Henry couple and their mommies are look so enjoy and happy yesterday.